and that's why the floor is wet. By the window's broken unit, and I crawled across the puddle that it made, and lost my traction for a while. But I was safe, and I repaired the only thing that I knew how to fix there. Shoes that got, and I heard you clean runoff, and we trashed your AC, and it's broken free on coils. It was an Energy Star, it wasted BTUs. It wasn't right, but it was there because I want you to be cool. Wanted you to be cool, cooled off, and it got a reaction. Want you to be cool. Wanted you to be cool. Wanted you to be cool. It cooled off, and it got a reaction. I want you to be cool. 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 Woo! Hello.
Hi.
I'm really tired. I got up at 2:30 this morning.
Oh my gosh.
And then I took a very long walk. And then I took a beautiful plane flight. And then I took another very long walk. And then I slept on the couch in the library. And now I'm playing... What was that? Was that me? Oh. Yup. And now I'm playing music for you. Thank you.
Woo!
Oh, that's dumb. My thing just broke.
I think they have things.
It requires a... You know what? Hang on. Stay right here.